Right, where we're up to now is I've configured this area, and this area for OSPF, peering with their respective PEs. So what we're going to do, I've saved this last one here for us to do. Reason being is this has an interface, an actual physical interface, as we can see there. That's that one there. So I'm going to just quickly show you how to put that interface into the logical system, and then we'll do the relationship between CE3 and PE3, and then we'll see if we can ping from this device to this device to this device and to this device. Fantastic. So let's bring up the command line. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to go on to PE3. So let's do configure, and we can do set logical systems PE3, and it will do interface LT 0/0/0.33 encapsulation Ethernet, family iNet address, and the address on that between PE3 and CE3 is 172.16.3, and we'll just do that as 3/24. Okay, so we've done our encapsulation. We do our peer unit. The peer unit is going to be 333, and we'll do our description. So description is linked to CE3. Fantastic. And now we'll do our OSPF. So set logical instance, logical systems P3, and we'll do protocol OSPF area 3. So this is area 3 we're going to do now, and the interface is going to be LT 0/0/0.33. Great stuff. Okay, so that's P3 now configured. So let's configure CE3. So oops, so set logical systems CE3, and we want to do interface LT 0/0/0.333, and the description link to PE3. And now we're going to do our peer unit. It's 33, and now let's do our encapsulation Ethernet. And as you can see, that you can actually carry on after the encapsulation of Ethernet and start put the family and the address on. Family iNet address 172.16.3.33/24. Now we need to do our loopback. So set logical systems, and it's again CE3 interface LO 0.33 family iNet address 33.33/32. Great stuff. And now let's set routing options. Oh no, ooh, nearly. So set logical systems CE3, routing options, router ID, and it's 33.33.33.33. And now let's set up our OSPF. So protocols, OSPF, area 3. I'm just going to do interface all for this. And now let's put in the GigaEthernet 003 interface into the logical system. So interface GE 0/0/3.0 family INET, and the address is going to be 192.168.3.254. I always use 254 as the gateway address, /24. Okay, that's looking good to me. Let's do a commit check and see what comes up. Excellent, excellent. All right, so what we need to do now is we need to jump onto P3 and configure it. So IP 192.168.3.1/24, and subnet, the default gateway is 192.168.3.254. And let's save that. Alrighty, okay, great stuff. So what we've done now, we've configured this. We're going to check to make sure we have our OSPF neighborship, and if we have, and we can start seeing the routes from these areas here, and obviously the core, then what I'm going to do, we're going to start pinging out to see if we have full reachability. So let's jump back onto the command line. So let's go back on to router 1. Let's go exit. And let's go ZCLI logical system. And we'll do it as CE3. Show OSPF neighbor. See if we have neighborship. Yes, we do in a full state. Do show route. Wow. Okay, so there's quite a few routes we've learned there. So we've learned routes from PEs 1, 2, 3, 4, and the core. We've also learned the loopback addresses from CEs 2, CEs 3, CEs 4. Looks like we have all the routes in there. Fantastic. All right, so let's, moment of truth, let's see if we can ping the PC off of area 1. According to the diagram, it's 192.168, maybe 1.1. So let's see what happens with that. So ping 192.168.1.1. Ah, fantastic. Okay, let's try 2.1, which is in area 2. That's awesome. And let's try 4.1, which is in area 4. Great stuff. So where we're at now is that we have full reachability across the entire domain. But you need to remember that we are running 14 virtual devices all within that one VMX image. So we have 14 routers that are virtualized within this here, and they're all running OSPF against all of them. And don't forget, when you look at all that overhead, because there's hello packets that are going out all the time, and this device is fully able to simulate this amount of actual networks. I mean, when you think about it, I mean, you look, if I would say, you look just here, this is all we have, and that looks really quite simple and straightforward. You know, it looks quite basic. But then when you look here at the virtual network that we've created within inside this VMX, I mean, that's just absolutely amazing. Now, as I said, you can do up to 15 devices. If I was to do another logical system, it would accept that. If I was trying to do a 16th one, it would fail over and go, no, you can't have that. So what we're going to do, we're going to leave the OSPF here, and in the next videos we're going to have a look at ISIS. However, what I'm going to do, I'm going to save the configuration and I'm going to upload it with the video, so if you want to come straight in, you can load up your VMX with the whole configuration, with all of these already configured and ready to do your testing and your studying on. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye for now.